Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host with the most, Roger Goodell.
6, 7, 8, yeah. Welcome to the Griddies, everybody! And remember, even if you win tonight, no celebrating. Cricket, you're fined. Now for our first award, Best Kicker Who Doesn't Give a F. The winner is Marquette King. Don't gamble that away in Vegas. No, I'm kidding.
Boo.
What's that?
I said boo, men. What up, Facebook?
Moving on, the award for Best Perfect goes to... Did not see this coming, Vontaze Perfect! Oh, Grunk Rob! And now, an in memoriam to honor everyone whose season was a complete wash. Oof, yikes. That's some sad stuff. Now it's time for the biggest award of the evening, the best team in Gridiron Heights. And the nominees are the Patriots and the Falcons.
I'm gonna let you play the Super Bowl, but I'm the best quarterback of all time, according to me. Rodgers out.
Rodgers out of the playoffs.